Welcome everyone. Today in Philby Story, I'm going to cook Kuang Char. In Penang Hokkien, we call it Kuang Char usually, but I think some places they call this Juhu Char as well. It's English we call it stir fry yam bean. So to start off, what we need to do is peel off the yam bean. I'm using a medium-sized yam bean because I'm just cooking for about like 2 adults. Then also a half of a carrot because I use another half to cook my soup, so I'm just using half. You can add in carrots if you like. If you don't like carrots, you can leave it out, but carrot does give the whole dish a little bit of color rather than just white and brown later on. So I do recommend to put in carrots. So just peel off the skin of the yam bean and the carrot, then use a mandolin to grate the carrots and yam bean into stick size. I'm using a medium-sized grater, so I have the medium thickness for the yam bean and carrot. You can use the small size, but I don't recommend to use the largest size because if it's too thick, then it will be difficult to soften the yam bean and carrot later when you're cooking it. I don't use juhu in my bangkuang cha dried squid because I don't have it in my pantry, but I have dried shrimp, so I'm using dried shrimp. I have hydrate this dried shrimp for about like 30 minutes using hot water. Then I'm just gonna chop it up into a very teeny miny small sizes and then set it aside. I also have some minced garlic there, about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Then I have this dried shiitake mushroom. I recommend to use dried shiitake mushroom because we can use the water that we use to soak the shiitake mushroom to cook the dish later. So don't throw away the water that you use to soak it. Just keep it aside and then thinly slice the mushroom, then set it aside. I have here the pork slices. It's not it's not necessary to put meat, but I put just thinly sliced pork belly. If you want to keep it vegetarian, then just leave out the garlic and meat. If not, then you can add in some meat. I'm using pork belly and thinly sliced. So here in the pan, I have some leftover oil from frying eggs. So for you just need to add in some oil. Then add in all the minced garlic, chopped shrimp, dried shrimps, and sliced mushroom. Saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can smell the very fragrantful aroma of the dried shrimp, and then the dried shrimp will start jumping around on the pan. Then after that, you can add in the what you call the pork belly slices. So just gonna stir until the meat is no longer pink, and then after that I'll add in the grated yam bean and carrot. Season the yam bean and carrot with oyster sauce and salt. Because I'm using this brand, Popo brand of oyster sauce. It's already very sweet, so I did not add in sugar. So if you want, you can add in a little bit sugar to sweeten up the dish. Just taste as you go. Then add in what you call the shiitake mushroom water that we used to hydrate the dried mushroom just now into the pan. Then stir this around and give it a well mix. I have fast forward the video a little bit too fast, so anyway, it's just that I add in the water to simmer the yam bean until it's soft, and then also adjust the taste accordingly. If you have a lid for your pan, it will speed up the process, but I don't have a lid for this pan, so it takes a while for the yam bean to be soft. Once you are satisfied with the softness of the yam bean and also the taste, then you can serve this. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.